The Italian Agency for Development Cooperation and the county government of West Pokot have rolled out a project to restore degraded areas of Wei-Wei River Basin through regenerative farming practices. Here now are the details of this and more stories in the corporate briefs.
The 2019 November rains damaged the Wei-Wei irrigation scheme water intake and furrows, cutting off road networks, bridges and sweeping off footbridges. A regeneration initiative has been rolled out in the area for soil conservation by controlling soil erosion, rehabilitating gullies, and promotion of terracing, agroforestry, and reforestation.
It's something that we need to restore because looking at the 2030 agenda, the P of planet is definitely one of the most important. So we need to constantly take care of the planet surrounding us because it's our life.
The initiative will directly benefit families living in the Wei-Wei Basin who will be engaged in agroecological activities such as bamboo cultivation for forestation of riparian lands.
Tukipanda mti tutasaidia mambo ambayo inaitwa climate change, hali ya hewa. Hiyo pia itatusaidia kupata mvua kwa wingi.
Finally, dairy farmers in Kericho County are calling on the government to address the high cost of animal feeds.
The cost of feeding is still very high, and that's why we are calling upon the government and all the stakeholders, especially our county government, to consider even pumping resources to cooperative societies and to look at it keenly so that these resources are channeled towards affording fees for our farmers.
The farmers were also challenged to enroll for training on animal husbandry to secure skills on the best practices.
Intentions as Marisha is to work together with the farmers and provide training in order to improve on the production of milk in the region. We are continuing to reiterate to them that they need to save so that they can in future have what they can do as farmers from their savings.
Nduta Mokami for Lunchtime News.